taking care of more of responsibilities at home. Still, like it always takes care.
So he is Arav's father, na?
Yeah.
So first read the bad, sir, so that we can see again. We will know about him.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. So as you have rightly told, mother, I am only a support, and whenever I am needed. So that's what my role is. But the force behind driving all through Arav's career is her mother.
But ideas, Arav was also giving to the rest.
Yes, yes. Together, I will say.
Yeah. The presentation also what I felt because
Yeah, yeah.
of the creativity and all.
So I'll just okay.
Let's know about your friend, Anna. Let's
Yeah.
know more about his childhood.
Okay,
and
so
also
hello everyone. So I was more excited to meet all of you, Arav's friend. So he talks a lot about. I mean, most of you I know by name. Most of you. I'm waiting once all of you will meet in person. What you all are going to do there? It will be like all dhamaka. He'll say.
so if we see in the classroom, then definitely our classroom is very silent without any noise and all.
Yeah. So it will be very big headache for you, ma'am, to manage all of them once they come back to class. So good luck with that. So I'll share my screen. So just let me know if if you are able to see my screen.
Share it.
Click here.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We are able to see.
Okay. So he just guided me how to share also. So you know.
Yeah, they are much aware of all these things.
Okay. Okay, so this is our version. So this is our thoughts for Arav. So for every child is special for their parents, right? So Arav is special for us in every sense. He is a star student for us. He is star son, star brother, star friend. So he is one quality I will say that he is more into his friends. He always go after his friends and he follows them. So even if it's a good habit or a bad habit, he always follows his friend, and he has a big circle of friends. So every day in the evening we have a trouble. So every day evening there will be some person in our neighbor will be coming. Neighbor son will be coming. I want to play with Arav. One neighbor daughter will be coming. Another one, and then she will say I want to play with ours. So he is more in demand for playing in the evening itself. So these are thoughts. So I'll take you through a few moments. It was very difficult time for us to pin down some specific moments for Arav because as a parent we have lots and tons of moments and which we cherish every day. So it was very yes. Yeah, few of them I was able to put together. But it was heads off to other parents how they have put together few of them because it was very difficult task for us.
In the short span of time only they were able to keep like all the things that was really surprising.
Yeah, so we'll start.
It will take some time because we are taking more photos in the phone. So
yes.
We have to get back to the memory and we have
yes,
to find
exactly.
some photos, but really they got some.
Yeah,
but what photos we can see about Arav?
Yeah, sure. So first one is this is the first photo of Arav when he was born. It was just minutes after his birth, and it was very special to me because I am the person who is holding him, and I was the first person to hold him after the nurse. So it was very special moment for him. So thanks for giving this chance to us and then relive this moment. At least for me, it was reliving this moment and cherishing it. This was his first photo.
When we recollect this, the day, the seconds, and all, really that we feel so happy.
Yeah,
you
that's
are so cute, Arav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Coming back to his first cake. So he was around, I think, 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. And he was not stopping eating the cake. Once we just made him test it, and he was just going on eating and eating, and we were worried. How was the first cake? You remember it? No, he doesn't remember
it.
You
will eat cakes? Now you like cakes?
I don't eat much.
You eat.
Okay, but for us it was like very special moment, like the way he was eating.
Happiness, like he is also so happy eating that cake. You can see in his eyes.
Yeah.
Your eyes are so expressive.
Yeah, he gets a lot of it. Okay, moving to the next is first ride. So from childhood itself, he wants to sit in the front. He never used to go to the back. So I used to put him the seat belt and then drive. And every day night, if he's not sleeping, I have to put in the car and then drive for some 5 to 10 minutes. Then he will fall asleep, or take him on my shoulders and go around. And you can see the joy on his face.
You're small, but you're so brave that you're sitting in the front without any support and you're just with the belt.
Yeah.
Still I'm
Yeah.
sitting.
Still he sits. Yeah.
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 That is actually mama's place. You have to give to mama's place. That's mom's seat.
No, but now there is a competition. So his
Yeah.
sister also.
Yeah.
So
Now
now,
you have to go back.
yeah. So now both of them are put at the back.
So that's why.
Now this is one moment we always miss now, because till he was 3 years old, he always used to smile while he was sleeping. So we will always used to sit around him and then wait for his smile. So this was like.
Dream more. Harold, we'll dream more, I think. What dreams, I don't know. Because when we smile, it means like we'll get nice dreams. Generally, we'll smile.
Yeah, so this was a very innocent smile which we still miss, because it was very innocent. And then he used to always, whenever he sleeps, he will be awake for 1 more hour to capture this moment, and then enjoy this moment.
Very good, man. Really very nice.
And this is first stroller ride. So like in the car, so once he sat in the stroller, he never came out. He used to eat there, he used to sleep there. Whenever he used to go out, he will just somehow climb on it. He was not able to crawl, but he will climb and sit on it and get ready to go out. So this was his favorite once, second favorite place after home. And this is first Diwali. So I remember he was very much scared of sparkles. So once he got hold of it, he was not letting it go. We even have the videos of it, like he was not ready to go of it. And even the sparkles were coming near to his hand after everything was extinguished. So this was one moment which I really, I feel that I'll never forget. This was one of the first, it's just first Diwali also.
Keeping that smile, Arav, like how I feel in the class, like your smile makes me so, happier in the same way. That smile you're portraying in each pic, what I can see.
Right. This smile is like from birth. And this is his, yeah.
First day at school?
Yes, first day of school, but this smile is after coming back from the school. While going, you can understand. I don't want to put that pic while he was going.
Again, when with your father again.
Yeah, so he was so happy after coming back. This was his first day of preschool, right? Yeah, it was preschool.
Nursery.
No, it was preschool.
Okay.
And this was his first dine out. So it was a special moment for us. We were having our anniversary and we took him out and we were scared like how he's going to behave. But he was like, more than us, he was enjoying. He was even calling that whoever was there who was serving us, the people serving us, he was calling us and serve him. He was making them work. And
He was so small, very small, but still.
Yeah, he was very small. He understood how we have to dine in. And still he likes going out and eating out.
Here in this picture, so that's why little bit girl face we can see. So, okay.
Yeah. But he still likes, no, I'm not. he's telling he was made girl once, so he doesn't want to show that picture. He will not show. Okay? Okay. This was his first Dandiya night, and we have experienced that this is the first time he got lost. So we were in a society, not this society, but in a different society where people, there's a closed space, and we were around 300 to 400 people were there. And suddenly we got busy in a Dandiya, and I looked behind, and he was nowhere to be found. And for 5 to 10 minutes, it was a nightmare for us. And suddenly he was walking towards us. And one of the strangers, we never know.
Searching for you.
Yeah, and he was.
was also searching for you, and we were also searching, but you should not leave your father's hands, even all others also. Just make sure whenever you go out with your parents, please don't leave them.
Yeah, but
I was feeling bored standing there.
he was feeling bored standing. But he was not. We were in tension and we were having our nightmare, but he was happily going around. He was the happiest person that time because he was free to roam around. So that was one shocker to us that he is independent and he is independently going around and meeting people.
Never should repeat.
And this was his first birthday. So this was also very special. It was done at his grandparents' house. So this was one moment we still cherish.
Your first birthday is always a special birthday. Arab. So nice, Sheila. You have one. Good.
And these are few pics, random pics, which I picked. Because there were a lot of pics what to put in, so I just put some random pics while he was growing up till 3 years, 3 to 4 years, 4 years I would say.
Now,
Because
orange dress you are wearing, you are carrying something in the cover. Maybe you are helping your parents.
yeah,
And here, Diwali celebrations, what I can say. And cute Krishna. In recent Krishna photo also, it was very nice. Arab.
yeah.
I have seen it. And these two are.
There is one more Krishna photo.
You have taken a comb and you're keeping in your mouth. It's not good. And keep first.
There is one more Krishna photo.
Okay, that is different. Okay, fine. So this is just in the random way I put him because this is while browsing through I felt that I was reliving all these moments. So I didn't want to throw it away. I just put it in one slide, and these are very very special. So this is at his grandparents' house. Very small, cute.
Like you have that smile. See?
Yeah, everywhere he has is that smile.
Yes.
Okay, and then arrival of his sister. Once he was 4 years, and his partner is crime, and our trouble doubled. So we were having trouble in everywhere.
Same dress, and you also like the first day you are kissing her.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
So
can
this
see
was
that,
his,
and yesterday Mishela and her brother, how they were so funny, so cool together, and here also I can see Aram and we are caring it about her. Very
Yeah.
nice to see that.
Yeah, but they fight a lot. I see every hour they will be fighting. But at the end of the day, they
Don't fight.
it will be from both sides, not only from Arav, but the both.
It should be to a limit. It should not extend.
Yeah.
What I feel.
But after the fight, they cannot leave. Without each other. So that is one thing I always see. He cares about her. So if you see here, he is always taking care of her. Many a times, sometimes we have to go out for 5 to 10 minutes. He used to take care of her. Take her in the godi and then not. Yeah. So fighting will always be there, but they never leave their side. So one
I
instant.
observed was like when they will fight when we are there. When we are not there, like parents are not there, they will take care of each other. So
Yes,
when
yes.
parents are there, they will showcase that more and they will fight much.
Yeah.
What I observed was.
Exactly. The same, right, ma'am. So the same thing while we were going for this beach. So in the morning we were joking that we will leave his sister, and we'll put food here, and then she will enjoy the TV and then eat food, and she can be there, and we will go for 2 days and come back. He made sure that she wakes up, gets ready, so that she is not left behind.
Take care, Nana.
Okay.
Take care till she is grown up. And
So you
everywhere
see,
you have to be.
you can see how he takes care of her.
She is making her sleep also.
Yeah. So they are. They will fight, but after some time, she will come to him or he will go to her. So that will always be there.
What is your sister name?
Anya.
Anya. Ah, yeah. Arav and Anya. I have seen the class also many times. She brought her in the
Yeah.
class.
So this was a very unfortunate event which happened with Arav, and it was very
And you
difficult
were
time.
really at that time.
Yeah, so he had this fracture, and he was operated twice, not once. Operated twice. He was in hospital, and his smile, as you have rightly said, his smile was the power which enabled us to pass through this. Sail through these difficult times, and it brought out one more quality in him, like how brave and how strong he is. Because of his smile, we got strength.
Like made you to come over it.
Yeah, exactly. He came over it. It was 3 months. It was not a small surgery. Even for a big person, it was a very difficult task.
Starting of the school, I think, academic year.
Exactly. So this was very.
Be careful, all of you, others also, just be careful this time. Like this situation should never come to anyone. Because it is in our hand. If we are careful, definitely it will not come that situation. So just be careful when you are walking, when you are riding your cycle or wherever it is. Just be careful. Just think while doing something.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good after that you have overcome this.
These are few pics from his school times. So some of them we might have already seen. Like this Hanuman, he was in
Early
Mime and this Krishna. So these were in cultural fest. Krishna was in first year, first grade, and this Mime was in second grade cultural fest. This Hanuman was in PP2, I suppose. Yeah, it was in PP2, and this medal also it was in PP2 when he was in Kidzonia near our home. And this is he performed a dance, and he was one of the star dancers in his group. You can see the smile here, how he was dancing. This was in PP2. Okay, so
PP1.
yeah, PP1.
This dress,
Okay.
yeah, I do remember this dress. Yes.
Yeah.
I remember.
And this Gandhiji also. So these are
This is
few things here.
annual day.
Annual days. So these are few things which I felt, and these are only the few things, not the limited to this. He has many other activities he has done to his school, but these are few of them which I recollected.
Yeah, thank you so
And-
much, sir. Yeah, all the things, these are all activities.
Yeah, and apart from school, he likes to hang out with his friends. So you can see like how he is among his friends. He's
That's my birthday.
This is his birthday. This is Halloween.
And
He's
beach.
playing. Yeah, he's going to beach, and then
Skating.
he likes going for skating. This is one fun time he has, me time, I will say. So I mean it keeps on changing at times. So at one time it was skating, some other time it was dancing, and some other time it was lawn tennis. So sometimes he will do piano. So this is keep on changing, and I think this is phase of each child. So their hobbies, their interests keep on changing. So we just support him in whatever way possible. And the newly added passion for him is being a YouTuber. So
Sometimes hobbies will become a career. We have learned this word, right?
right.
You have to go ahead with all the hobbies. Maybe one of that will become a career for you.
Yeah,
Okay, YouTube channel also.
yeah, this is
Yes.
his newfound love. This is his YouTube channel. So he tells everyone to like and subscribe. And this is one of the video I like to play here, which is he always plays. He and his sister always will try to play because both of them are there. Rather than and his videos, I would say that they are getting good hits. Like around 700 plus views by this time. So these are very good. So I'll request all his friends, and you also, ma'am, to subscribe. You can also say. To like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And this is one video which
Blog, so where you can find it.
Bobo and me are singing.
yeah this yeah.
Please.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
So this is one of their favorite videos, which they made it on Halloween. So they always play this, but there are other videos. But he whatever he feels, we support him in uploading it and trimming it down as well, and guiding him like how to take videos and all.
Maybe he will like to that videos also. Let me see.
Yeah. So you can find it there. This is just so kids. This is what we feel about Arav, and every kid is special. You are all special to your parents, and you'll always be special. And I'm waiting for the day when you all will meet together, and I'm sure you are going to give an headache to ma'am once you meet there, because in our childhood I remember many things, the mischievous things which we used to do in our schools. Getting scolded from teacher also was nowadays it's like one of the memories we have, like for silly things. So these all things will become your memories later on. So I'm still waiting for you guys to meet together and live those moments.
Yes.
And thank
Definitely
you.
the schools will be back again with all the their friends and with normal things, not again distance also.
Yeah.
So let's hope for that, and so that they can also enjoy their childhood and we can also enjoy with them. Because children are like just innocent. The smile or the words they say, the stories they speak, there will be like some innocent and some likeliness and also something new which we can all know. So let's hope in the new year everything should be like magic. Everything should vanish. This
Why is
corona,
that child
whatever,
label?
everything should vanish and everyone should come and
Yes,
meet
ma'am.
with it.
Yes, ma'am. Fingers crossed. So let's hope that it will be all went well. All will go well, and all the kids will come together and enjoy together. That's and thank you for giving us this opportunity, ma'am, because this has enabled us, because we take photos but we don't look back to it. This has given us time to look back to it and then relive those moments, especially the childhood moments. Day to day we always see now, but especially the 1 to 3 year period, that those are very special before they go to school. So it was a very special moment for us. So thank you very much, ma'am.
Tara, you want to speak something?
Say.
No?
This day up for so many days. I worked so hard.
Okay. Shreyansh, you want to say something?
Ma'am, Arav's mother is my mother's friend.
Okay.
Oh, Arav's mother and your mother.
I am also Shan's friend. I know where he's living.
Okay. Can you bring your sister also so that I can take a pic?
I will give him a scale.
Why?
Scale, he will give us the prize.
Where is Nihal?